Hi there, in this video I will show you how to edit video on Instagram without posting. So first of all I will open the Instagram app. So once the app is open, now if the video is short, so I will go to my story and here I will open my gallery and from here I will choose the video that I want to edit. So let me choose the video first. Okay, so I choose this video here and I want to edit it. So here if I swipe, so there we have multiple filters. So you can add filters here. If you want to add music, you can go to music here and from here you can search for any music. So there you will find all the trending musics, or you can browse it by the category, like we have the birthday, then we have pop, bright, and whatever, or you can search it by the name. So let's say I will go with this music here. Okay, and you can add the lyrics here if you want, like this. So this one is trending, so I will go with this one and let's place it here like this. Okay, now if you want to add stickers, so I will go with sticker here, and you can add a sticker from here, or let's add music here. So I will add this music here like this. Then we have this option of filters. You can change it from here. You can add this one, you can add a darker one, or you add a black and white. So in this way you can choose you can change the filter. So click on done. Now click on three dots in the top right corner and there we have this draw option. If you want to draw something like this, uh, if you want to add a arrow, so go to arrow, choose a color and then click on arrow. Okay, so once you're done, now click on three dots in the top right corner and click on save. So in this way now your video is edited and now it will be saved in your gallery. So in this way you can edit video in Instagram without posting. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.